I think you have seen this question, and by just seeing it, you have calculated the answer in your brilliant mind. But remember that most people, about 1 in 5 people, get it answer wrong. Their calculation is wrong because they have separated by this wall, which is multiplication, and one portion is left side and other portion is at right side. The left portion 6 minus 2 will be 1, right portion 6 minus 3, it will be 3. So by multiplying these two numbers, their calculation is 3. But I was asking about that answer. It is not correct. Those whose answer is 3 will stay here, and all other can skip this video, because those whose answer is 3 will have to learn why answer is not 3. Let us solve this question according to correct order, which is PEMDAS. This rule, this order of operation will decide how to solve this question. Parenthesis is known as bracket. Exponent is power, which is a square, cubic form. Multiplication, it is division, addition, and it is subtraction. So follow this order from top to bottom and solve this question. You will be able to get it correctly. First of all, parenthesis absent, power exponent absent, multiplication, yes, here is multiplication. So that will be our first step. 6 as it is, minus 2 times 6, 12, as minus 3 as it is. Now by moving from left to right, 6 minus 12 will be equal to minus 6, and minus 3 will be as it is. By adding these two numbers or subtracting these two numbers, our answer will be equal to 9, which will be the correct answer for this PEMDAS based question. Thank you.